Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to update YouTube on Android so you always have the latest features and the smoothest experience. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button down below, it really helps me out. Thanks guys! Now, the first thing we'll do is swipe up from the bottom of the screen and open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps and tap on Apps. From here, scroll down until you find YouTube in the list and tap on it. Now, we're going to do two quick cleanup steps. Scroll down and tap on Storage. First, tap on Clear Cache, then tap on Clear Data. This does not log you out or cause any issues, so I recommend doing it. But it's totally up to you. After that, you can see it's just the app data. Now that we've cleared everything, we're ready for an update. Go back to the previous screen, scroll to the bottom, and tap on App Details Install. This will take you directly to the YouTube page in the Google Play Store. If there's an update available, instead of seeing the Open button, you'll see Update. Just tap Update and it will download and install the latest version of the app on your Android phone. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.